Hello and good afternoon. We're revisiting this memory. I have its replacement right here. I wish they would ship it in a box, not a pad, because any mishandling can flex and break and bend. So that's Amazon for you. But this is what we have here. Same RAM. I just, for the return, I got an exchange. And of course it's not gonna focus because I got it on ultra wide. But 9695. So matched pairs. Or in sequence. We're gonna pop this module out. I've got a proper cooler. So this, yeah, I guess you don't want to be mixing sticks from different kits. Causes instability is what they're saying, but I've never experimented with that. Some of y'all might have experimented with that, but not me. Okay, just so you know, we're gonna stick those there. Okay, we have our RAM. Yeah, I'm not too thrilled with this RAM, but it is what it is, right? Let's try both sticks at once. Okay, we're in. Let's give her some juice. Double check, we're all good. Zoom, reposition the camera here so we can see the post lights. I should have went ultra wide. Oh well. That's not good. Oop, that's good. Okay, we're posting. Device has changed CPU or memory. CMOS has been cleared. F1 to run setup. Yes. And we've got 2 sticks. Green light. See that? That worked. So, let me show you the screen here. Let me zoom into that. And it's probably going to be blurry because I got an ultra wide, but all right. Well, that works. So, see, we had a bad stick of memory. So we should have 64 gigs now. That's a little overkill for a streaming PC, but